In this video, we are going to have a glimpse about a topic that is going to be the future in aspects of technology, or in any kind of fields. It's going to be nanochemistry. Nanochemistry is the combination of nanoscience and nanotechnology. However, for now, nanochemistry is going to revolve around the word nano, which means small. How nanochemistry came into the real world. It's something great to know that it's been developed by ancient Indians. During 600 BC, the applications of nanotechnology were used in the manufacturing of woods, a kind of steel, and was exported globally. The word nanotechnology was first introduced into the scientific world by a Tokyo scientist, Taniguchi. Later on, in the late 90s, it's been modified as nanoscale tech by Drexler, who discovered molecular nanotech, so that molecular machines would control the manufacturing of complex products, which are still in progress for the future aspects. But, do you know where it was technically seated? In 1959, an American physicist, Richard Feynman, came up with the concept. There is plenty of space at the bottom, in which, he believed that, technology and machines can be manufactured at nanoscale. It was the time when transistors become popular, and the manufacturing of the transistors were at microscale. In 2017, can you imagine that we are able to manufacture transistors at the size of 7 nanometers? Which is 8 times smaller than HIV virus, and 500 times smaller than your red blood cell. With regard to these inventions, scanning tunneling microscope was invented to see the tiny nanoparticles. The smartphones and the computers you are using today are all using nanotechnology, where transistors inside the microprocessors are manufactured at nanoscale. You can imagine transistor as a switch, which acts as a passage for electrons. It can be turned on and off. At the scale of 14 nanometers, you can imagine a transistor has space for 2 electrons to travel in same passage at a time. But, at 7 nanometers, as you know, only one can travel. Researches are going on for manufacturing them at 5 nanometers, which may be the end of silicon technology, expected in 2020. Scientists believe, when a transistor is smaller than 7 nanometers, it exhibits a property called quantum tunneling, where electrons cannot be blocked inside the passage. Thus, we cannot shrink it further. So it's going to be win-win, whether we can make tech even smaller, or we can be happy that we scaled them to the smallest.